Error correction part 4. One of the questions he asked me was, who did you travel with? The right answer will be, whom did you travel with? I know a doctor you are referring to. Here we are talking about a specific doctor. So the doctor will be used because the is definite article and a is indefinite article. So this is the error part. The introduction of job-oriented courses in the self-financing colleges attract many students. Introduction is the singular subject. So with the verb is will be used. Here attracts is the right use. So this is the answer. It is better to keep one's head in the face of danger than losing one's courage. To keep and losing. Here it is infinitive and here it is gerund. This should be changed to infinitive. So the right use is danger than to lose one's courage. So part 3 is the answer. The short story should not exceed more than 200 words. Exceed and more than both have same meaning. So more than is wrongly used here. The answer will be part 3. To die with honor is better than live with dishonor. To die is infinitive with to and live is infinitive without to. So this is the wrong part. It should be to live. To die with honor is better than to live with dishonor. So this is the error part. It is I who is to blame for this bad situation. Who is the relative pronoun and I is the antecedent. We know the verb after the relative pronoun will follow the antecedent. So am will be used. So the error part is part 2. Gowri told me his name after he left. We know when two actions happened in past, we use past perfect to denote the previous action and we use simple past to denote the subsequent action. In this sentence, the previous action is he left and the subsequent action is Gowri told. So this is the incorrect part. Here a had will be used. So the right answer is Gowri told me his name after he had left. So this is the answer. John would have told you the truth if you had asked him. कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में वुड हैव के साथ हैड बैठता है, तो फिर ये नो एरर है। माई सिस्टर हैज़ रेड पेजेस आफ्टर पेजेस ऑफ द बाइबल। When same nouns are joined with a preposition, then the nouns will be singular in number. So page after page is the right answer.